Join me as I take on the challenge of cleaning up my mess and see if a miracle really happens with a little help from above. Ever feel like life's gotten out of hand and you're drowning in a sea of problems? Like one issue just leads to another and another, and before you know it, you're stuck. We've all been there, right? Feeling overwhelmed, unsure of where to start or how to get back on track. It's easy to get caught up in the cycle of stress and anxiety that comes with dealing with personal messes. You might feel like you're walking through a dark tunnel with no light at the end. Every step feels like a struggle, and you're just trying to make it through the day. But what if I told you there's a way out? A way to break free from the weight of your problems and start fresh. Sometimes we try to tackle our messes on our own, using our own strength and willpower. But let's be real. We've all tried that before, and it often ends in frustration and burnout. That's because we weren't designed to carry the weight of our problems alone. We need help, and that's exactly where God comes in. When we invite God into our mess, amazing things can happen. He offers us guidance, comfort, and strength to face our challenges head on. And it's not just about praying and waiting for a miracle. It's about working together with Him to clean up our mess and create a better future. I've learned that seeking God's help while cleaning up my mess involves surrender, trust, and action. It's about being honest with Him about my situation, listening for His guidance, and then taking practical steps to address my problems. And you know what? It's been transformative. One of the most powerful moments for me was when I realized I didn't have to have all the answers. I didn't have to fix everything on my own. I could trust God to help me, and that freedom was incredibly liberating. It allowed me to approach my problems with a new sense of hope and confidence. As I looked back on my journey, I saw that the real miracle wasn't that my problems disappeared overnight, but that I was able to face them with a new sense of peace and purpose. And that's what I want for you, to experience that same kind of miracle in your life. In a nutshell, cleaning up your mess with God's help can lead to miraculous changes in your life. It's about taking that first step, being honest about your situation, and trusting Him to guide you through. If you've ever faced a tough time and found a way through with a little help from above, share your story with us in the comments below. And if you're looking for more inspirational content, be sure to check out my other videos. I'd love to have you join the journey.